Today, I stand before you to explore the concept of being the only one rather than being one of them. It is a thought-provoking idea that challenges the notion of conformity and encourages us to embrace our individuality. So, why should we choose to be the only one instead of blending in with the crowd? Let us delve into this question and discover the power and benefits of embracing our uniqueness. First and foremost, choosing to be the only one allows us to unleash our true potential and express our authentic selves. Each of us is born with a distinct set of talents, passions, and perspectives that make us inherently unique. By embracing our individuality, we tap into our strengths, passions, and capabilities, allowing us to shine in our own light. We no longer feel the need to conform to societal expectations or mold ourselves to fit in. Instead, we embrace our true selves and celebrate our differences, leading to a more fulfilling and authentic life. Moreover, being the only one grants us the freedom to think independently and pursue our own paths. It is in our uniqueness that innovation and creativity flourish. When we break away from the herd mentality, we open ourselves up to new ideas, fresh perspectives, and unconventional approaches. By thinking differently, we become catalysts for change, inspiring others to challenge the status quo and explore uncharted territories. Our unique contributions can reshape industries, solve complex problems, and make a lasting impact on the world. Choosing to be the only one also positions us as leaders and influencers. When we stand out, others take notice. Our willingness to embrace our individuality serves as an inspiration to those around us. By staying true to ourselves, we become beacons of authenticity, encouraging others to embrace their own unique qualities and strengths. We have the power to ignite a ripple effect of positive change, empowering others to break free from societal expectations and pursue their passions with unwavering determination. Furthermore, being the only one enables us to contribute to the richness and diversity of our communities and societies. Each person's unique perspective and experiences add depth and breadth to the collective tapestry of humanity. When we embrace our individuality, we foster a culture that values diversity, inclusion, and acceptance. Our differences become a source of strength, fostering collaboration, innovation, and a greater understanding of one another. In conclusion, choosing to be the only one rather than one of them is a powerful decision that holds immense potential. It allows us to embrace our authenticity, think independently, lead with influence, and contribute to a world that celebrates uniqueness. Let us dare to stand out, to be true to ourselves, and to inspire others to do the same. By doing so, we unlock the power within ourselves and create a more vibrant and inclusive world for everyone. Thank you.